This is already. How? How to use this? How?
5 yan.
I don't know. I don't know how to use this. Are you ready?
Oh, it's printer. I
Yes.
cannot actually.
How to use this?
What happened, guys?
I
to
don't
use
know how
this
to use
printer.
this printer.
Oh, it's easy. Let me show you it.
Okay.
1. Connect the cable to the power source. 2. Connect the cable to the computer. 3. Click the on button to turn on the printer. 4. After the printer is on, insert paper into the tray. 5. Make sure printer ink is available and the paper is in the correct position. 6. Select the document to be printed according to your needs. 7. Press the Ctrl and P button simultaneously. 8. Your document has already printed.